Like many teenage girls, 13-year-old Carly Leonard can often be found with her cell phone glued to her hands. But it wasn't that long ago when this seemingly typical teenager was in the fight of her life.
When she checked into the hospital, I checked into the hospital.
In October of 2010, Carly felt a lump in her leg. She and her family both thought that it was just a pulled muscle. But a trip to the doctor revealed that that lump was really a tumor called osteosarcoma.
It's hard to see and knowing you can't do anything about it. Like you just want to say, give me the chemo, let me have these breakdowns, because it's just not fair that at that age they have to be going through this kind of nightmare.
I wasn't scared. I was just like, let's just get this over with. And like, I didn't want to be scared because then it'd be hard for me to do it.
Carly spent months in and out of Arnold Palmer Hospital undergoing chemotherapy.
When you get told that your daughter has cancer, you think of chemo and you think of all these things that are going to save her life. But the thing that you really didn't even consider was one day you were going to get a phone call and say your daughter's getting a blood transfusion.
But that's exactly what happened. Carly received multiple blood and platelet transfusions while fighting this terrible disease.
And her white blood count went down to 0, and the blood transfusion and the platelets saved her life, basically.
Having Florida Blood Centers available for the treatment of children with cancer is vitally important. Blood transfusions are an important part of what we do. It allows the children to resume a normal lifestyle. It allows us to bring their blood levels up to safe levels for additional chemotherapy, which is the real important part of their therapy.
People don't understand how much it just makes you feel better. You'll be lightheaded and nauseous and just feel really grubby. And then once you get the infusion, it's just like you feel like normal, because you just feel 100% better.
Carly's doing a lot better today. She's in remission, her hair is growing back, and she's looking forward to attending high school. And she's able to do all of this thanks to her doctors and blood from donors.
They're so valuable to everyone, and they may not think it's a big deal going in and, just going into the big red bus. They're saving a life every single time that they do that. So I just can't thank them enough. They saved my child.
To give back to the community, Carly's father is spearheading the Central Florida Hotel and Lodging Association's Summer Challenge Blood Drive.
The drive this year comes close to my heart, close to what I believe that has an opportunity to really help the community more than anything. You can't manufacture blood. You can't do anything with it except get it from a donor. And so I want everybody out there in the community to donate. And let's set a record this year. Let's hit 5,000 pints of blood. If we can, let's go even for 6,000 pints of blood.
Donate blood at the Give Life Orlando Day on Thursday, August 2nd. For exact locations and times, please visit floridasbloodcenters.org/CFHLA. I'm Nancy Gay for Florida's Blood Centers.